Hi everyone! Just a short one today because today is the best day of the week, New Tool Day. And just as a bit of background, I've been using this for a while. If you watched my latest video about the squat rack, you probably saw this one in action. It's a drill press that took me like an hour to make from an old Black & Decker drill. And to be fair, it's actually worked fairly well. However, it's a bit small and a bit underpowered, so I scored something new at an auction the other day. So let's unpack this and see what it is. Well, I didn't really score something new, I scored something used at an auction the other day. But when you see what it is, you'll probably understand why. It's a drill, and not a small one. So this is a handheld drill with a 16mm chuck. It's kind of an older model of the Atlas Copco brand. It's, let's see now, made in Germany. 900 watts, 4.3 amps. And what's really interesting about this one is that the model number, B2E16RLD, still exists, and this machine, or a licensed version of this machine, is still made by the Milwaukee brand. New, it costs, I found it from between 450 to 600 euros. I got this one used for 70 euros, including freight. Now, my plan is to build this into a mag drill, or build a mag base for it, because I think that will be quite a bit more useful than a drill press. So let's plug it in and see if it turns on. That's the slow speed, that's 850 revolutions a minute. Let's try the high gear. No, sorry, that's the slow one. Let's speed it up. Ah! So it has a high and a low gear setting. That's the high one. And it also has variable speed. So all the way from the highest, that's supposed to be 1800 revolutions a minute, down to the slowest, that should in theory be 850, but I think that's quite a bit slower. I think, yeah, that should be the 851. This drill is a beast, and if anything, it's quite a bit overpowered. So all in all, this should be an excellent candidate to get a mag base for. And it should last me a lifetime. That's the plan anyway. So if you want to see how I turn this into a mag drill or build a mag base for it, depending on how you look at it, be on the lookout for the next couple of weeks, or maybe a month or two, because I have quite a lot of other things planned as well, and I'm hoping to get going in the next week or so. So, till next time.